At this point, we are done with Chapter 3 exercises, and we need to upload them to GitHub. So you want to make sure you have the 3 required files. And to upload these, you'll notice that there's used next to them, meaning that they are untracked. And so I am going to come up here. Actually, I'm going to go into source. And then we've got our 228 Git. I'm going to click here, go to changes. I'm going to stage all changes. Now you'll notice that it is making a little change to chapter 2 because we renamed it. It was lesson 1 and now we're calling it chapter 2. So those changes should get pushed up there as well. So at this point we have them staged. Our next step is to commit our staged changes. So we'll go back up into the menu, go to commit and commit staged. Let's see. So for our message, so if we would have entered here, we wouldn't see the message window, but we do want it to indicate chapter 3. Let's press enter. Okay, and then finally, what we need to do to get them up there is we need to push. Okay, and at this point, they should be there. So I'm going to check. So here's my repository. And you can see it did rename lesson 1 to chapter 2. And the change was made with our chapter 3. So that's why it says chapter 3 here. And then we have our chapter 3 files. Okay, and that looks good. So hopefully that worked for you. If it did not, let me know because we're going to have to figure out how to get this process working. Because once you have it working, it is pretty slick.